In this video I will be showing you how to use Simple GMS Essentials. First, you will need to get the customer to fill in their details. To do this, you can either print off this poster with a unique QR code for your business so the customer can fill in their details on their own device. Or you can provide a device, such as an iPad, with the check-in portal loaded. You can load the check-in app by clicking Check-ins, Check-in app. From here, the customer will need to enter their car registration and click Find Vehicle. This then asks the customer to enter their surname or phone number. If it is an existing customer, it will show parts of their information, and they can continue by clicking the Select button. If it's a new customer, they will need to click the Create New Record button. Then, the customer will need to fill in their details including name, phone number, email address, and contact preferences. To save their details, they will need to click the Check-in button. Once they have clicked Check-in, the screen will revert to the home screen, ready for your next customer. On your home page, you will see your daily check-in report. This shows the list of people that have checked in on the date selected. The information shown includes their name, phone number, the time they checked in, vehicle registration, and the contact status. If you need to see the check-in history of a certain date, you can change this using the calendar button here. If you wish to contact the customer, you can use our SMS system. There are two ways of doing this. You can either message the customers one at a time, or you can send a message to multiple at once. If you want to message multiple customers, select the customers you want to message using the tick boxes on the right. Then, click the Contact Customers button that appears at the bottom of the screen. You can type your own message to the customers, or we have some preset templates that you can use. To send the message, click the Send SMS button. If you want to send it to a single customer, the process is the same, however you just click the Contact button on the right rather than selecting the tick boxes. To view your customer data in more detail, you can either click the customer's name from your check-in report, or you can click Customers and then List. Then, click the name of the customer whose data you want to view. Here you have three tabs: Customer, Vehicles, and SMS History. The Customer tab has all the customer details including name, contact information, address, and contact preferences. SMS History shows any previous texts sent to this customer. The Vehicle tab includes any vehicles that are associated with this customer. From here you can view the vehicle record by clicking this button here. The vehicle record shows the car tire sizes, mileage, and the customer linked to the vehicle. You can also view the vehicle MOT history by clicking the tab here.